Hello students, I am Alzen Bipakul, your teachers for today's lesson. Our topic for today is all about reproductive system. Do you know what is reproductive system? Reproductive system is the reproduction of offspring which produces from eggs and sperms. So, what do you see, class? Yes, it is a girl and a boy. What do you see from them? What do they have? Yes, they have organs. Since we had already discussed those systems, now let us focus on their reproductive system. So, the objective for our lesson is that we will label the human reproductive system and let's know their functions. Let's go, students. Number 1. These are the tubes that are connected to the ovary. It is called the fallopian tube. Number 2. The ovary produces the eggs and invertebrates female sex hormones. Number 3. The uterus, in which the eggs young develop. 4. It is the narrow outer end of the uterus which is called the cervix. And number 5 is the vagina. It is the female canal and it connects to the uterus to the outside world. Vagina. So, this is the female reproductive system. So, let's now move on to the male reproductive system. So, number 1, this is what we call the bladder. It is where the urine is collected for excretion. Number 2, this is the seminal vesicle. It is where the makeup of fluid and semen. Number 3, this is colon. It is where the body waste can be located. Number 4, this one, this is what we call the anus. It is the exit point of our body waste. Number 5, this is what we call the prostate gland. It is where the produce of fluid secretions which supports and nourishes the sperms. Number 6, this is the epididymis. This is the passage of the sperms which make it mature and make it swim. Number 7, this is what we call the testes. Here is the produce of the sperms and the testosterone. Number 8, this one, this is what we call the vas deferens. It carries the sperm from the epididymis up to prostate gland and urethra, this one. So this is what we call the vas deferens. So since we already know its parts and functions, I hope that you've learned something from our lesson. So, is there any clarifications and questions, students? Okay, study for this because I will give quiz after 30 minutes. And that's all. Thank you.